Many foods labeled as healthy like smoothies, whole wheat bread and dried fruits can secretly spike your blood sugar. This happens because they are processed, concentrated, or lack protein and healthy fats to slow down sugar absorption. To prevent spikes, pair them with protein or fat. Choose whole, unprocessed versions or replace them with lower GI alternatives to keep your blood sugar stable and energy balanced throughout the day. Here is a complete explanation on healthy foods that secretly spike blood sugar. Please like, share and subscribe. How it works. Blending breaks down fiber, causing rapid sugar absorption. Why? So lack of intact fiber slows digestion. Blended fruits become like juice. How to stop? Add protein like Greek yogurt or protein powder, and healthy fats such as nut butter or seeds to slow absorption. Alternatives: eat whole fruits with nuts instead. How it works: the high glycemic index despite fiber content. Why? So processed wheat raises glucose quickly, just like white bread. How to stop it? Choose sprouted grain bread or rye bread. Alternatives: lettuce wraps or egg wraps. So here's the thing, low-fat flavored yogurt often contains added sugars to compensate for the fat that's been removed. This extra sugar can spike your blood glucose really rapidly. To avoid this, it's a good idea to choose plain full-fat Greek yogurt instead. Or you could go for alternatives like cottage cheese or even unsweetened yogurt with some fresh berries. So, granola bars are often made with honey, syrup, or even chocolate. The thing is, these concentrated sugars digest really quickly. To avoid those sudden sugar spikes, you can make homemade bars using just nuts and seeds, or, simply have a handful of almonds or walnuts instead. Rice cakes have a high glycemic index and are almost pure carbs, with barely any fiber or fat. That means they rapidly convert to glucose in your blood. To slow down that absorption, try topping them with avocado or a bit of nut butter, or you could just go for veggie sticks with hummus as a better alternative. Dried fruits like raisins and dates are basically concentrated sugar without any water or bulk. This makes the sugar load much denser, which quickly raises your blood sugar. So it's best to eat them in very small amounts, ideally with some nuts. Alternatively, fresh berries or cucumber slices are a great choice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.